So I founded Moving Mountain, an expert moving company, about 16 years ago in 2003. Now before that, I gained some experience working with another moving company, and so I figured I got this. I can start a company, I can do it. So I put my company name in a phone book, I started distributing flyers, I had a professional postcard going out to realtors, and I thought, just copy everyone else, do what they did, and business will fly in, right? Wrong. I think I made about one connection a month, and the return on investment was about negative 50%, was not working. So fortunately, the summer of 2005, I met Mike Glasser and his family, and my company moved them. He's a partner with Marin Mazda now, and Mike at the time was a local BNI member in a chapter here in beautiful California in the Bay Area. And he invited me to a BNI meeting. Took me 3 times, he asked me 3 times, I finally went. Well, a couple weeks after my first BNI meeting, my company moved a 92-year-old and his wife in Tiburon. And he happened to have been acquainted with Henry Ford. And figuring this guy knew a little bit about business, I told him about BNI and asked him what he thought. And he said, anytime you can lock out your competition, do it. Guess what I did? I joined BNI a week later. I was inducted to the local BNI chapter, Network Central, and I started to meet and network with realtors, organizers, people in the trades. And we immediately yanked all of our traditional marketing. We got out of the phone book, we stopped distributing flyers, we stopped sending out our postcards. And since, our only marketing has been through the BNI organization and all of its incredible networking events. And now we get over half of our business from BNI, and our rate of return is very excitingly between 12 and 13,000% year over year. Now here's the best part. We've given away over $500,000 to other BNI members and their businesses with over 650 referrals. Now, one of our company mantras has always been low and no cost marketing. We get paid to market, and that's essentially what BNI has done for us. So a big thank you to Mike Glasser for inviting me to a BNI meeting. I can say that the life I have now and love depended on Mike's invitation. Thanks, Mike.